So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to open Parquet files in VS Code like a pro. So guys, basically Parquet Explorer is a VS Code extension that provide a preview of an SQL query execution against Apache Parquet file. Under the hood, SQL queries are executed by the DuckDB, which implement efficient partially reading and the parallel query processing. Okay, so to install it and open it, first of all, you simply go to the extension section. In the extension section, guys, go for the options, and here you simply search Parquet Explainer. So you simply search PARQUAT Explorer. So guys, here you see that you have a multi explorer. Okay. So guys, we need to install Parquet Explorer. Okay. So you just click here and go for the install and press the publisher and install. And if you get more details, so guys, here you can check it. Okay. So how it is look when you use when you run the queries. So this is the way that it shows. Okay. So guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you. And if you want to get the access of this, so you just click here and you get the access. So guys, thank you.